This is a video introduction to the BitGo fulfillment system located at www.bitgofulfill.com. BitGo Fulfillment is an online product inventory and order management system designed to help businesses who sell on multiple marketplaces, including Amazon, eBay, Home Depot, Wayfair, Overstock, Walmart, and others. E-commerce is ever-changing in the retail industry. As a business owner, you may sell across many different marketplaces to cover more customers. The idea of this system is to manage the essential goods fulfillment information all in a single system, such that business owners can focus on business essential activities. This system also provides a centralized collaboration work process so the seller, distributor, warehouse, and manufacturer can share business critical information without having to rely on static processes such as emailing Excel attachments back and forth. After login, you'll be brought to the dashboard. The dashboard provides a summary of business information, including the orders waiting shipment, total products, stores, warehouses, users, and product categories. You manage product information in the products module with tags including brands, category, and attributes. Although additional functionality is being developed, the products module is now ready for use. Let's take a look at product management features one by one. When you first start using the system, you'll need to set up some basics. A good place to start is with brands. In the brands module, you can add brands, activate, deactivate, delete, and you can even import and export brand information. Next, you'll want to look at categories. In the category module, you can add a category, activate, deactivate, and delete, and you can also import and export via CSV. Next, you can create product attributes, for example, color or size. You may add, activate, deactivate, and delete attributes, and you can also export via CSV. To create a product, you'll first need to create at least one warehouse so the inventory information can be managed. This is done in the warehouse section. You may add, activate, deactivate, and delete warehouses. You may also import and export warehouse information via CSV. With brand, category, attributes, and warehouses created, you can now create products. Note this information is optional and you can always add or change it after products are created. In Manage Products, you can add, import, and export product information after selecting a product. When our product sync function API is complete, you'll be able to sync inventory in your account with the Sales Channel Marketplace. The Add Product page is where you create a product. Product images can be uploaded and assigned to the product with the Open Library function. If you would prefer a mass update of your products, you can do that with the Product Import function. Simply create a CSV file with the product tags and upload. You can also update existing information with the CSV file import. You can manually check and update inventory for a single product by selecting the product and clicking the inventory button. You can manually check and update packaging information for a single product by selecting one product and clicking the packaging button. There's also a dedicated module for managing inventory. You can manually update inventory levels or update inventories with the CSV file import. That concludes this introduction to the BitGo fulfillment system. If you have questions, please contact us at info@bitgofulfill.com.